shut, shut. Shop, shop. Wish, wish. She, sham, sham. Is, quiz. Ox, ox. Zap, zap. Box the suffix. Kisses, kisses. Box the suffix. Rushes, rushes. Box the suffix. Fishes, fishes. Box the suffix. Buzzes, buzzes. Box the suffix. Hatches, hatches. Box the suffix. Glasses, glasses. Box the suffix. Foxes, foxes. Box the suffix. Fleeing, fleeing. Box the suffix. Dings, dings. I'm going to split between the compound word. Bath, bath, tub, bathtub. Ash sat on the rug. Did you see the fish? Fixes.
Oh, let's box that suffix really quick.
Box the suffix.
And now, what's the vowel in this word?
O.
What does O say?
Ah.
Now let's tap and say each sound.
Ox. Foxes.
Very good.
Foxes.
Good job.
Feeing.
Oh, box that suffix again. Box the suffix. Now let's tap and say each sound.
E. Fleeing.
Good job.
Fleeing. Dings. Dings.
Great job.
Ash sat on the rug.
You read all those words so well. I'm going to actually scoop this I'm going to show you how to scoop it, and then you're going to take the pen and do it. Nash sat on the rug. Can you scoop like that?
Nash sat on the rug.
Good job. Read it one more time all the way through.
Nash sat on the rug.
Very good.
Nash sat on the rug.
I love that. Wonderful.
Right.
I'm going to follow along with you as you read the sentence. If I stop my pen, I want you to come back and tap through the word. Tap and say each sound. Ready?
Dad put the ship.
Oh, let's tap.
Sheep in the stable.
Let's divide that word.
Count back 3. consonant L-E.
Very good. What syllable type is the first syllable?
That's an open syllable.
What vowel
so
sound?
it's a long vowel.
Good job. Read the whole word.
Stable. Stable.
Very good. Read the whole sentence one more time.
Dad put the sheep in the stable.
Excellent job.